Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this one. This one is the iPhone 6s front-facing camera. This is the parts that come with the flex cable. Let me tell you a story about why I purchased this front-facing camera. My wife owns the iPhone 6s. The one with the 4.7-inch LCD of the display. And unfortunately, she dropped a couple times. And then she was snapping some picture or Snapchat and then taking photos and stuff like that. And then one thing that my son noticed was there was some kind of black dots around the camera or around the picture area. There's a couple of the tiny, I would say about 6 to 7 black dots. I believe those dots come from some kind of fabric within that's covering the inner camera or something like that. What I did was after I popped the phone open and then carefully remove the front-facing camera, and then I try to clean it and everything and make sure there's nothing on the lens, camera lens, from the outer case, and then also from the after I open up the phone and make sure I clean up with the Q-tips and then put it back. Actually, I did that twice. At first, I thought I didn't clean up the first time correctly, so I clean up again the second time around, and then it still has those black dots around the camera lens. So unfortunately, I cannot take out the lens and then clean the inside of it. So I bought this one. So hopefully this is gonna fix the problem. Because when I zoom in, zoom out, the black dot is following the zoom. So I believe the camera is messed up. So let's go ahead and then get this open. So I'm not sure if the viewers out there or subscribers out there are having the same problem or issue. So if you do, please drop the comments on below and share this with our. Oh my God. So this part cost me about $4.25. Okay. And this is the part. So before you put it back together, you need to know how to fold it. So you need to look at your old one and then learn how to fold it correctly. And I will show you guys later on the tutorial on how to install this. And then there is a front-facing camera right there. It is protected with that clear plastic string wrap. So normally your speaker will go in between this two flex cable, okay? You can see those are metal contact. That is a contact for your earpiece. And your proximity sensor is right there, okay? So I believe this one has a fold down but I'm gonna do that later on for the next video. So please be sure to subscribe, like the videos, and then turn on the bell for notification. Okay. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media if they have experienced the same problem or issue with their picture, having those black dots around after you take the picture. That would be the problem that you need to buy this camera, the front-facing camera, to change it. Okay, so hopefully this will solve you guys' problem. And please be sure to subscribe, share, and drop any other comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, like always, peace out.